Hello. It is 11 a.m. on Monday morning, and today I will have to do nothing but cleaning because for the past 3 days we have been accumulating some stuff, and everywhere of the house is covered with stuff or remainings of the stuff, like bags and boxes. And if it's not that, it's my desk and my kitchen is covered with leftover food, some stuff from the market. Saturday and Sunday, we kind of spent our days doing almost nothing. We bought some junk food and watched a lot of stuff. And yeah, right now I need to clean that all up because yesterday I didn't want to. I woke up like 20 minutes ago and I want to journal a little bit, and then I will start. I will plan how I'm going to clean this place up and start cleaning. Also, let me know if like cleaning vlogs, if you want cleaning vlogs to be chatty or just a time lapse with a music over it. Just it's interesting to me. Just let me know. Anyways, I'm going to journal now. My journal is here. I'm going to journal now, and then I will catch you. So, yesterday we got a guitar, and now living room is in this state, and I really don't want to take this box away. She is loving it. Anyways, but we have to, and they are distracting me. Anyways, there was a table. I'm gonna get to that. These are the things that got out of my bag. This is also from the guitar, and this is from the feast we had yesterday. Again, as I said, we had a feast, and these are the remainders, and those things that were on the couch, they belong on this table. Anyways, everything is everywhere, so I need to clean that all up. This is a huge mess I need to clean, and there are some laundry that I need to fold and wash actually. This is the state of my kitchen, and yeah, we are going to clean that all up.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web.
I put some laundry to wash. I folded the laundry that's been done for ages, and also I had a quick breakfast break, and then I had my French lesson. Now I am back to cleaning. Right now I want to clean this room first because this is where I work, and when my workspace isn't clean I feel not good. I cannot focus basically. So anyways, I'm going to clean this place up first. My desk is a mess. I don't know how it gets this way. Okay, I did the most time-consuming part of the day. I left these because anyways, I can't find her right now. Not this cat, my other cat, Nala, loves to sit inside the bags or in the boxes. So anyways, I wanted to make her sit there. She also likes to sit under this thing. I also put her there, but this is only temporary. I'm going to clean that up. There are few bits that I need to clean. My room, few bits and pieces that I need to pick up, and I will be done. Before I do the rest of the cleaning, I just had the urge to journal, so I'm going to spend like 15 minutes to journal. I'll be much more inclined to do the small pieces. I don't know, I like when there is too many stuff, I like piling them up and cleaning them all together. But when there is only few stuff, it's just more difficult for me to get excited to clean. I don't know. Does somebody else feel like that? I don't know. I'm not sure why I feel like that. Anyways, I am going to journal a little bit and then I'll see you. Look what happened the other day. I was wearing a chain something and the chains rubbed off against here and now there's a stain. I washed it once, but it isn't gone completely. I don't know if you can see properly. You can still see the, you know, what is it called in English? I'm not sure. Anyways, you can still see the stains. Anyways, I'm going to need to bleach this. Oh, that is so annoying. Why can't it just anyways, I picked up bits and pieces. I only have floors to do now. Now I'm going to get out my vacuum cleaner. I just put some coffee on. Until that is ready, I'm gonna vacuum this place and hopefully be done with this. I hate the vacuuming the most because my cats are scared by the sounds. Nala, just get out of here because she knows I'm going to use this. I usually start with my room. I keep them away from the room first. My other cat is there as well. Oh, I don't want to do this to them, but it's their fur that's everywhere, so they just need to get on with this. You know, look at this. Look at the sofa. It's fur everywhere. All I do is to clean fur. Oh my god. I have some more laundry to do, and after that I'll be done. But until then, I want to reward myself for coming this far by doing some yoga because my back hurts and my shoulders hurt. Maybe eat something and then I will continue cleaning and that should be the end of that. Actually, I do have to take out some trash, but I don't want to do that. I will wait. Yeah, most of the trash on the balcony is from these bitches. Yeah, they pee and the litter gets even much heavier. So yeah, I don't want to take them out myself. I will wait for my husband to come and do the man's work in the house. I can take them myself, but why would I? You know, if I have the help, why would I do that myself? I'm going to do my yoga. My coffee is ready as well. I'm going to drink my coffee, do my yoga, and then finish all of this. Mop and do the rest of the laundry, and I'll be done. Whew. Sometimes I hate cleaning, but sometimes after everything is clean, I love it so much. Can't say.
I'm not in a rush to.
La, 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 la.
Just the idea about it. Don't now you see me, now you know. It's a problem I don't want to put myself in front of.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty lighter and a string jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better prove that you're not worth the chase.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and round and round. She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty ladder and she
Today's task list for the cleaning, I know you won't be able to read this, but anyways, I folded the laundry, I did the extra laundry, I cleaned my desk, I cleaned the kitchen table, did dishes. Did I do the dishes? Yes, I put them in the dishwasher. I didn't do them myself. I cleaned the living room. Oops. I cleaned the sofa. That means cat's fur. Floor vacuum. I haven't mopped yet. I haven't cleaned the bathroom yet. Rest of the laundry, I still haven't done them. Okay, I'm gonna go do them. I have some more laundry going on, but right now I need to fold these and wash the rest of the laundry. And yeah, I haven't picked it up because Nala was inside. The next batch of laundry is inside. It's going already. I need to fold these and mop the floors and I'll be done. And with that, I am done cleaning. Oh my god. I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't like doing house chores, but I like my place to be clean. So I just have to clean it. If you are in my kind of situation, I would like to share something that I saw on Instagram. There was this girl, she had this text that I have to clean the house, like strike through, and then it goes, I get to live in a clean space, which actually made sense to me. Like, clean this house, not because I have to. It made me a bit more lenient towards cleaning, even though I don't like it, but I know that I deserve to live in a clean space. Right now, my house is clean. I am ready to work. By the way, I am not good at vlogging my cleaning process. If you have some tips, let me know in the comments. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my socials, on my Instagram. I am most active there, and all my other social media links are in the description below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.